Hello student, today I have started chapter 9 of class 8. It's reproduction in animals. Now how many type of reproduction is there? There are two type of reproduction. One is sexual reproduction, other is asexual reproduction. Now question arises, what is sexual reproduction? The type of reproduction beginning for the fusion of female and male gametes is called sexual reproduction. This is the main reproduction organ in human. It contains a penis, a pair of testes and a pair of sperm duct. The male gamete, that is sperms, are released from testes. This is the type of sperm. It contains middle piece, head and tail. It is very small in size. Now this is the female reproduction part of human. It contains uterus, a pair of ovaries and an oviduct. Oviduct is also known as fallopian tube. The female gamete, that is ova, is released from ovaries. The fusion of sperms and ovum is called fertilization. Nuclei of sperm and ovum is fused to form a single nucleus. This result in formation of fertilized egg or zygote. The fertilization take inside the female body is called internal fertilization. Egg cell is formed from mother and sperm cell is formed from father. So individual inherit some characteristic of father and some of mother. Sometimes oviducts are blocked, so the sperm cannot reach the egg. Doctors collect freshly released egg and sperm and keep them together for few hours for IVF or in vitro fertilization. Zygote is allowed to develop for a week and then it is placed in mother uterus. The baby is born like other baby. Uterus is the place where the development of the zygote take place. Male and female come together in water. The female lays hundreds of eggs. The male deposits sperm over them. The sperm come in contact with the eggs. This results in fertilization. This type of fertilization in which fusion of male gametes and female gametes take place outside the body of female is known as external fertilization. Zygote form the ball of cell which form group of tissues which form organ. This developing structure is termed as embryo. The embryo in which all the body part can be identified is known as fetus. The animal which give birth to young ones are called viviparous and the animal which lays eggs are called oviparous. The asexual reproduction is the reproduction in which only one parent is involved. You take an example of hydra. Hydra, in this budding is there. The budding separates to a new hydra. This is known as budding. You take an example of amoeba. Amoeba nucleus divide into two nuclei and separate into two amoeba. This is called binary fission. Now come what is cloning. Cloning, fin Dorset sheep is there, Scottish blackface ewe is there and dolly is there. Take a cell from mammary gland of fin Dorset sheep and cell from Scottish blackface ewe is there. Remove the nucleus of Scottish blackface ewe and put the mammary gland, cell of mammary gland to Scottish blackface ewe whose nucleus was removed and place it in Scottish blackface ewe. The characteristic it developed into dolly. The characteristic of dolly will be same as fin Dorset sheep because the nucleus of Scottish blackface ewe has been removed, so there will be no characteristic of Scottish blackface ewe.